So, hello guys. Welcome back on my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to upload music to your YouTube videos without getting any copyright strikes. So let's begin. So, now I am going to tell you how to upload music without getting any copyright strikes. So the most safest way is to download your music from No Copyright Music. If you don't know this channel, I will give a link to one of their videos. If this video proved helpful to you in any way, then consider leaving a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for getting my new videos notification, press the bell icon also. Goodbye.